Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace a Delta 600 series trim kit in your shower. Make sure you watch this video all the way through because there are a few important steps that, if missed, could cause more problems than you started with. So stay tuned. The trim kit, like the Delta Faucet 600 series shower renovation kit, model RP54870, typically includes a new handle faceplate and internal components like the seats and springs and the conversion ball and cam assembly, tools and materials. New trim kit, correct Delta 600 series renovation kit, screwdrivers, Allen wrench, pliers or channel locks, wire brush, white vinegar, plumber's grease or silicone paste, putty knife or scraper. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. Turn off the main water supply to your home, or find the shutoff valve for the shower you're working on. Run the shower to drain any remaining water from the lines. Step 2. Remove the old handle. Pry off the button or cap. Use a flat blade screwdriver to gently pry off the decorative button or cap on the center of the handle. This may reveal a screw or Allen key slot. Unscrew the handle. Use the appropriate screwdriver or Allen wrench to loosen the handle screw. Some Delta handles may unscrew without a set screw by turning the handle body. Pull off the handle. Once the handle is loose, pull it straight off the valve stem. Step 3. Remove internal parts. Next, we'll remove the internal components. Loosen the adjusting ring and unscrew the cap assembly. Take out the cam and packing, letting any water drip out. Remove the seats and springs. Don't worry, your new kit comes with replacements. If there's silicone around the edge, carefully cut it to free the cap. Then remove the 2 long Phillips screws to take off the cap. You may need a thin tool or putty knife to fully pop it off. Step 4. Install new parts. Now let's install the new upgrade. Place the new springs and rubber pieces in the correct spots. Install the new plate with the screws from the kit. Add the new collar piece, just hand tighten. It doesn't need to be super tight. Line up the conversion ball, making sure the 4 holes align correctly with the large hole at the bottom. Insert the small plastic piece to help center everything, making sure the rubber seal fits nicely. Step 5. Reattach the handle. Finally, put the handle back on. Slide it over and secure it with a screw from underneath. Step 6. Test your work. Turn the water back on and test the leaks. Adjust the temperature to make sure everything works perfectly. Outro, and that's it. Your Delta shower handle is now upgraded and working like new. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more DIY plumbing tutorials. Thanks for watching.